am back for like a little bit. I said I'd be back like 4 or 5 months ago and I got really sick and really busy with like a new job and stuff, so but it's mysterious ASMR and I don't have a stoner video. I just have like a filler video while I get my shit together because I can't smoke right now and I don't have anything to like roll, and yeah, so also don't judge my shame because this is like my sick corner. As you can see, like my mask and probably a pile of tissues and shit, and then this is just full of shit, and this is my shitty pillows, and yeah, let's just not talk about how shitty everything looks. But I have this that I'm gonna play with because why the fuck not? I bought one of these because why the fuck not? And with bubble wrap. It's like the best way to do it. But yeah, I'm really sorry that I disappeared. I usually do that, but I came back because I've been getting a lot of comments to come back, and I felt really bad because I didn't know people liked me that much. So, because I just started this channel, was like, why not, you know? This is a struggle. We're gonna call this like shitty ASMR. No, I was actually like really sick. I was in the hospital a few days ago. So I've been working like really late nights, weird schedules. So I don't know what to play with first. Choose this. So the squeeze, construct, detail, gluten-free. I'm also missing like a few nails, and I know some people get like anal about it, but we're gonna deal with it today. So I just bought this like impulsively as fuck. pronounce it. Orb molecules. That's what it's called. Ugh. It's a green gnome. Builds. Bonds together to build. Deconstruct. DNA to use again and again. I don't know. It kind of looks like Dippin' Dots. I don't know if, like, maybe if I turn. No, it's too dark. I don't know. It looks really cool though. It's kind of too bright. Ugh. Whatever. But like, you can like see how it pulls apart. It's kind of cool. Maybe you'll see a more bigger piece. Nope. It's kind of too much for my hands. It's like Dippin' Dots. Let's try and build something. I don't know what to build. I have no idea. It's kind of hard, actually, to build stuff with this. Believe it or not. I actually went to this store around here called Five Below and spent $50 odd just getting shit I could play with and stuff. I'm not proud. I made a ball. It makes good sounds though. It's like really hot. Like if you just like threw this at someone's face, they'd probably be really mad. I don't know how I'm gonna get this back in here. Oh, that was awesome looking. And I got Bubblies Pets Transform Squeeze. It's like a little crab. I'm excited. Ooh. Oh, it's so cute. It's a little crab. He is little. I've seen so many ASMRs have like things like these. Like ASMR Zeitgeist. I fucking love him so much. But like he has like really big ones. I was looking for those, but I couldn't find them. This one's really cute. I like the sticky sound. It's so sticky. Maybe these two are really good together. They don't even stick. They have yellow Orbeez. Or green. I don't know, it depends on like how you see color. I actually knew someone who was yellow colorblind, so we would make jokes about it, but it wasn't funny. Like, it was all in good fun though, not like bad jokes. And they would just say it was white. I haven't done this in so long, I don't even know what to do anymore. That works. It's really sticky. The little claws are adorable. Little legs. Would he go like this? Or like this? I guess he goes like this. Oh, it's a shy crab. That's a cool sound. He has like these little bumps right here that are kind of cute. It's like the little attention to detail. And then if you look in his eyes, he has like little hearts. Look at the Orbeez. Well, I think that's all I got for today. While I come up with new material for a little bit. I'm sorry for the hiatus, and I'm trying to figure out a way to like keep everybody posted about when I'm actually gonna be posting videos and stuff like that. But it's really hard. I've learned, I don't know how like people do it, but I'll get there. Especially with you guys asking a lot for things, it makes me feel really good. It makes me want to put more stuff out there because I want you guys to have content to enjoy. But I'm gonna post this as fast as I can. I'm sorry if it's really shitty. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like my channel. Comment down below your favorite color. I don't know. Just tell me how you doing, what's going on, what you'd like to see on my channel, and I'll try and get to that whenever I can. I'll try and like have social media or something and just be more connected with you guys because I want you guys to know what's going on, and I want to know what's going on with you guys too. I actually care. You're not just bots, you're real people. That's just me blabbing on. It's not even ASMR anymore. I'm so sorry. But I'm Mysterious ASMR. And thank you for watching my shitty ASMR. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.